Hey guys, and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to get the API key for Gemini AI. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply go to this website. That is aistudio.google.com. Well, to do this, you do need to have a Google account, so I request you to log into your Google account if you already have not. And now there are lots of things on this navbar to the left. Now what we can see is something like Get API, Create New, My Library and such. We only need to focus on the first thing, that is the Getting API section. Let's click on this Get API. Now you can see I have already created an API. I'm simply gonna delete it. Let us just click on this button, Create API Key. Click on the Search Google Cloud Projects. And you can see something like Generative Language Client. It can be anything. Simply click on it. And now that everything's okay, let's just select this Create API Key in existing project. And there you have it. That's your API key. Simply click on this copy button to copy your API key. And you can use this API key anywhere. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you generate your API key for Gemini. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.